Hi mong Katche. So, palibang unta ko ron, but before that, I'm gonna say a few words for your birthday. So, ganda lang akong papel ron kay ako untang iilaw. Okay. So, mong, saba? Time flies so fast, no? The last time I checked, you were still a naughty upaw kid who loves to fight. As in, rag favorite subject ni mong fight. And hilak-hilak. And who chokes her yaya. I can't forget that. Who slams the door shut when she's mad and turns into a monster when she's mad. Who has plenty of crushes and applies makeup on her face, which made her look more like a clown than a lady. Because, wala naka-upaw pa ka. Then, makeup pa ka. So, ba yun? But that was before, okay? It was different now. As I've seen in the pictures, you've grown up to be a beautiful lady. And mature, I think. Because no more fights with ate. And I think, wala na kay wild drone. But I guess, spoiled the Japong ka. Anyways, you can change that, okay? So, Mo, in your birthday, I just wish you all the best. All the best life has to offer. Stay kind. You're the kindest cousin I have. Shh, I don't talk. And Mom, I love you and I miss you. Okay. Okay. I'm just here, even if we're not that near each other. Happy birthday once again. Bye bye. Malibang ako.